So hi children, in that previous video we discussed up to 13 questions now. So now in this video we are going to discuss about the problems from 14th onwards. Okay, so what is that 14th question? I think so you are habituated with that consistent conditions. Why? Because already we discussed in that 2 videos now. So without seeing that conditions, you better to try that conditions. You better to say that. Okay, so better to try along with me also. If you know that answer, if you will get that answer before me, then also you can comment in that comment section. Okay, so what is that? 13x plus ky is equals to k. That is that one of the equation. And the second equation is 39x plus 6y is equals to k plus 4. Has infinitely many solutions. Again the given condition as infinitely many solutions. Many solutions there means the condition is related to coincident lines. So coincident lines condition is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. Okay, so apply that condition here. 13 by 39 which is equals to k by 6 which is equals to k by k plus 4. So apply that condition. 13 1s 13 3s. Okay, so by using this one, k value first find out that 1 by 3 is equals to k by 6. K by 6, so 3 1s and 3 2s. So here we can write this one as k is equals to 2. K is equals to 2. So apply the same condition here. 1 by 3 is equals to k by k plus 4. Okay, so cross multiplication. K plus 4 is equals to 3k. So from this one, 3k minus k is equals to 4. So 3k minus k is equals to 2k which is equals to 4. So 2 1s 2 2s. So here also we are getting that k is equals to 2. So which option is correct here? If that k value is equals to 2, then only the given lines are coincident lines. Okay, so here option B is correct one. Okay, let us see that the next question. The pair of linear equations, again here the given unique solution, and x is equals to x1, y is equals to y1, then the value of x1. While seeing the question you may get that confusion. Don't be confused that simply they are asking that what is the value of x. If you read that question properly, then you can easily understand that what they are asking. So don't be worried that here x1 y1 like that they given means what we have to find out. Don't worry about that. This is very simple question. Once again read that. Here 2 equations they given, no? Those 2 equations also having that unique solution. Unique solution means which type of lines those 2 are? Yes, intersecting lines. Okay, and we have to find that x is equals to x1, y is equals to y1. So unique solution means we can find the values of x and y. We know that. So just to find the x value, that's what they are asking. Okay, so what are those 2 equations? X plus y is equals to 3, and here 2x plus 5y is equals to 12. Okay, that's what they given, no? Conditions has unique solution. We can apply that any method, no? So I am going to take that elimination method. So this is multiple with 2, this is multiple with 1. Why? Because coefficients of x. So here 2 into x is equals to 2x plus 2y is equals to 6. Next one, 2x plus 5y is equals to 12. So here minus minus minus. So plus 2x minus 2x gets cancelled. Next to plus 2y minus 5y means minus 3y, which is equals to plus 6 minus 12 is minus 6. So minus and minus gets cancelled. So 3y is equals to 6. 3 1s 3 2s. So y is equals to 2. What is that condition? Y is equals to 2. But what we have to find out? X value we need to find out. So substitute that y value in any one of the equation. So x plus y is equals to 3. First equation I am going to take. So here x plus 2 is equals to 3. So x is equals to 3 minus 2. So x is equals to 1. Okay. So what is the value of x here? X is equals to 1. So x is equals to x1 they are saying, no? So x is equals to 1. That's why x1 is equals to 1. x1 value is also equals to 1. Okay. So which option is correct? Yes, option A is correct. Okay. So let us see that the question number 16. Here This is also same only, but again say that here they are asking we need to find that y value. Okay, so what are those given equations here? 3x minus 5y plus 1 is equals to 0, and the second equation is 2x minus y plus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, 2x minus y plus 3 is equals to 0. Again apply the same conditions here. Multiple with 2, multiple with 3. So we will get this one as 2 3s 6x minus 2 5s 10y plus 2 1s 2 is equals to 0. Next 3 2s 6x minus 3y plus 9 is equals to 0. Okay, now we have to take that it's a difference. So here this is minus plus and minus. So 6x minus 6x gets cancelled. Next minus 10y plus 3y, that is minus 7y, and here plus 2 minus 9 is minus 7, so which is equals to 0. So minus 7y is equals to 7, minus 7 once minus 1 is equals to 7, so which is equals to y is equals to minus 1. That's what they asked, no? So no need to find that x value also. So here y is equals to minus 1. Okay, so option B is correct one here. Okay, let us see that the question number 17. Here onwards we are having that just word problems, just we have to say the problems, clarify, we have to read that. Okay, clearly we have to read that. Okay, if you just by seeing we will write that something means you didn't get that, somewhere you may get that confusion. Okay, so that's why very clearly, clarify you have to read that. Okay, so first line onwards we have to read that. If the sum of the ages of a father and his son in years is 65. Okay, again I am reading that. If the sum of the ages of a father and his son, sum of the ages of a father and his son is 65. Okay, and twice the difference of their ages, it's twice is equals to 50. That's why I told you that read, clarify, and clearly we have to read that. So what they given? Let the father's age be x. Okay, son's age be y. Okay, so what they given? By the problem, what is the first condition here? The sum of the ages of father and his son is equals to 65. Okay, next second condition, and twice the difference of their ages. Difference of their ages means x minus y. Twice the difference means 2 times of the difference of their ages. Okay, which is equals to 50. So this condition they given. So after simplifying this, 2 into x is equals to 2x minus 2y is equals to 50. In this way, or you have to write, or else 2 ones to 25s. This equation also you can take. Okay, any one of the equation you can choose. So after that, what is the first one? X plus y is equals to 60 and x minus y is equals to 25. That's what we got now here. X minus y is equals to 25. After simplification also again you will get the same condition. That's why better to take that this one. So x minus y is equals to 25. Plus y minus y gets cancelled. So x plus x is equals to 2x, which is equals to 60 plus 20. Sorry, this is minus and this is also minus, no? So here x plus y is equals to 65, and here x minus y is equals to 25. X plus y is equals to 65, x minus y is equals to 25. So better to take this condition, x minus y is equals to 25. So here plus y and minus y gets cancelled. So x plus x is equals to 2x, which is equals to 65 plus 25 is equals to 90. So here x is equals to 90 by 2. So 2 ones, 2 45s. So x is equals to 45 years. So what they are asking in that question? we need to find that age of the father. So age of the father we taken as x only, no? So that's what we got here, x value. So no need to find that y value. If you want to find, then you have to go for that y value also. So y value how much you will get? Here x is equals to 45. So 45 plus y is equals to 65. So y is equals to 65 minus 45 is equals to 20. So son's age is 20 and father's age is 45. They are asking here father's age only, no? So what is that correct option here? Option A is correct one. Okay, is it clear to you? Okay. So let us see that question number 18. So here this is also very important, this type of question. Just read carefully. So a fraction becomes a 4 by 5. Some of the fraction is there. We don't know that fraction. Okay. When 1 is added to each of the numerator and denominator. So let the fraction be x by y. We have to take that. Let the fraction be x by y. Okay. Now here by the problem, here conditions we have to write. By the problem. Conditions what? The first condition is when 1 is added to each of that numerator and denominator. So we have to add that 1 to that numerator as well as 1 to that denominator. Now the fraction become as 4 by 5. Now the fraction become as 4 by 5. That's what they are saying. Now simplify this one. Cross multiplication. 5 into x is equals to 5x plus 1 into 5 is equals to 5. Which is equals to 4 into y is equals to 4y plus 1 into 4 is equals to 4. So here 5x, let us move that y term into that LHS, so that one become as a minus 4y, which is equals to 4 minus 5 is equals to minus 1. So this is that equation number 1. That is that equation number 1. Now the second condition, what is that second condition here? However, if we subtract 5 from each of that, 5 from each of that means we have to subtract 5 from the numerator and we have to subtract 5 from the denominator. Then one of the fraction is there, from that fraction only they are saying these conditions. If you subtract 5 from that numerator and subtract 5 from that denominator, now the fraction becomes a half. Fraction becomes a half means becomes 1 by 2. Again do that cross multiplication. 2 into x is equals to 2x minus 2 into 5 is equals to 10, which is equals to 1 into y minus 5 means again same thing you will get. So again change the terms here, 2x and plus y become as a minus y, which is equals to 5 minus 10 become as a plus 10. Okay, minus 10 become as a plus 10. So here minus 5 is there, no? So 2x minus y is equals to plus 5. Okay, already here minus 5 is there, so that is a minus 5, plus y become as minus y, minus 10 become as plus 10, but here minus 5 is there, no? So we have to write that minus 5 only here. Okay, so this is that equation, this is a plus 5 only, minus 5 plus 10 is equals to plus 5. So this is equation number 2. Now we have to simplify that those two equations. So what is that first one here? 5x minus 4y is equals to minus 1. And here this is 2x minus y is equals to 5. So we have to simplify this one. So that's why the first equation should multiple with the 2 and the second equation should multiple with the 5. Okay. So first equation how much you will get here? 2 into 5x is equals to 10x minus 2 4s 8y is equals to minus 2. And here 5 2 is 10x minus 5y is equals to 5 5 is 25. Now take the difference here, minus, plus and minus. So 10x minus 10x gets cancelled now. Next minus 8y plus 5y is equals to minus 3y, which is equals to minus 25 and here minus 2. So that is a minus 27. So minus and minus gets cancelled. So y is equals to 27 by 3. So 3 ones, 3 nines. So here we got that y is equals to 9. We got that y is equals to 9. Now substitute. y is equals to 9 in equation number 1 or 2, that is your wish. I am going to take that equation number 1. So what is that equation number 1 here? 5x minus 4y is equals to minus 1. Okay, so 5x minus 4 into y is equals to 9, which is equals to minus 1. Okay, so here 5x minus 4 9s 36, which is equals to minus 1. So 5x is equals to minus 1 plus 36. So 5x is equals to 35. 5 1s, 5 7s cancellation. So x is equals to 7. So we got here x value and y value, but here what we have to find out? What is that fraction we need to find out? So x is equals to, we got that 7, and y is equals to, we got that as 9. So what is that fraction here? 7 by 9. So add that 7 plus 1 is equals to 8, 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. So 8 by 10 is equals to 4 by 5. We got it now? Clear? Next, subtract 5 they are saying. 7 minus 5 is 2 and 9 minus 5 is 4. So 2 by 4 is equals to 1 by 2. Satisfying or not? So which is that correct option here? Option C. That is 7 by 9. Is it clear to you? Okay. Let us see that the next question. 19th one. So this is also like that only. So here 3 chairs and 2 tables. Again 2 different objects they given now. So we have to take the 2 different variables. So let us take that. Let cost of a chair be x. Next, let cost of a table be y. Take that x and y. Now here the conditions by the problem. Here what are the conditions? 3 chairs plus 2 tables. 3 chairs means chair is x. So 3 chairs plus how many tables? 2 tables. So 2y. Its cost is equals to 1850. Its cost is equals to 1850. Next, second condition. 5 chairs. So 5x plus how many tables? 3 tables. So 3y. Its cost is equals to 2850. That's what they given in that question. Now again same thing here, multiple these two. Just observe that here in that constants we are having that greatest numbers no. So that's why here this is a 5 is there. So 1850 into 5 means you will get that greatest number. So that's why choose that very less numbers. So better to take that here 3 and 5 is there, here 2 and 3 there no. Which one is the least one? 2 and 3. Okay, so better to choose that 2 and 3. We can multiple that those two equations with y coefficients also no. So take that. So first one multiples with 3 and the second one multiples with 2. Okay. Now what you will get here? 3 3s 9x plus 3 2s 6y, which is equals to, so 1850 into 3. So 3 0 0, 3 5s 15. 3 8s 24 plus 1 25, 3 1s 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. So 5550. Okay. Now here 2 5s 10x, which is plus 2 3 6y, which is equals to 2850 into 2. 0, 2 5s 10, 2 8 16 plus 1 17, 2 4s 8 plus 1 5. So 5700. Now take the difference. Plus become as minus, minus and here minus. So plus 6y minus 6y gets cancelled. Next 9x minus 10x is equals to minus x, which is equals to plus 5550 minus 5700. So its difference is equals to how much? That is minus 150. 550 plus 50 600 plus 100 700. Okay, so minus and minus gets cancelled. So x is equals to 150. X is equals to 150. We need to find the value of y. Okay, so substitute x is equals to 150 in any one of the equation. So I am going to choose that equation number 1. So what is that equation here? 3x plus 2y is equals to 1850. So x is equals to, we got that 150. So 3 into 150 plus 2y is equals to 1850. So 3 into 150 is equals to, that is a 450, okay, plus 2y, 15 3 is 45, no, so is equals to 1850. So from this one, 2y is equals to 1850 minus 450. Do this one, 0, 0, and here how much? 1400. Okay, so y is equals to 1400 by 2, that is 700s. So y is equals to, what is that? 700. So we take in here, let the cost of a chair x. Cost of one chair is 150. Cost of one table is 700. Okay. Now what they are asking? The cost of one chair plus one table. So we need to find that x plus y value we need to find out. One table and one chair cost we have to find. One chair cost is 150 and one table cost is 700. So that is equals to 850 rupees. Okay, so which option is correct here? Option B is correct. 850 rupees. Okay, let us see that the last question, 20th one. Okay, see here. 6 years hence, a man's age will be 3 times the age of his son. Okay, so again ages problem this is. Let, they are comparing with the son's age, no? So let son's age be x, father's age be y. Okay, like this I taken father's age be y. Now here 6 years hence a man's age will be 3 times the age of his son. Okay, so they are saying that 6 years hence. So 6 years hence means son's age become as x plus 6 only, no? Son's age become as x plus 6. 6 years hence a man's age will be 3 times the age of his son. So at the 6 years hence means now onwards 6 years. So at present my age is y. Then here after 6 years my age is y plus 6 only, no? After 2 years my age is y plus 2. And in the same way my kids age is also some x. So my age is 6 years increasing, my kid's age also increasing will be 6 years only, no? So that's why here his age also increases to y plus 6. Okay, but here the condition given, what is that? 3 times the age of, 3 times. So the man's age after 6 years is 3 times the age of his son. This is the meaning. Next, second condition they given. What is that second condition? Or else first better to simplify this. 3x plus 3 6 are 18, which is equals to y plus 6. So here 3x plus y become as a minus y is equals to 6 minus 18. Okay, so from this one 3x minus y is equals to minus 12. 3x minus y is equals to minus 12. Okay, so this is that equation number 1. Now the second condition what they given here, 3 years ago. 3 years ago means what here? 3 years ago means now onwards 3 years back. Okay, 3 years back, which means he was 9 times as old as his son. At present his age is x. 3 years ago, which means x minus 3 is equals to, here y minus 3 also, no? 3 years increasing from his age, and in the same way from his son's age also 3 years will be decreased. So it not increased, that is decreased. Okay, so x minus 3 is equals to y minus 3, and at that cases the man's age is 9 times as old as his son. 9 times as old as his son. Now simplify this. 9x minus 27, which is equals to y minus 3. So here 9x plus y become as minus y, which is equals to minus 27 become as plus 27, and right here minus 3. So 9x minus y is equals to 24. This is equation number 2. Okay, now we got that equation number 1 and 2, no? So what are those two equations? So let us write here. First one is 3x minus y is equals to minus 12. Next, 9x minus y is equals to 24. Okay, now here these two are having that 1 and 1 coefficients, no? So that's why here minus, this is plus and this is minus. So here plus y minus y gets cancelled, and here minus 9x plus 3x is equals to minus 6x, which is equals to minus 12 minus 24 minus 36. So minus and minus gets cancelled, 6 1 6 6. So x is equals to 6 years. So x means who is that? That is son's age only, no? So son's age is equals to 6 years. Now what is the age of father? So let us take that any one of the equation. I am going to take that the first equation. So that is 3 into x is equals to 6 minus y is equals to minus 12. So 3 6 are 18 minus y is equals to minus 12. So minus y is equals to minus 12 minus 18. Okay. So here minus y is equals to minus 30. So minus and minus gets cancelled. So y is equals to, we got here 30. So the age of father is 30 years. So we got here 30 and 6. Those two are correct or not? Just see what they are saying. X is equals to 6 years and y is equals to 30 years. Once see that question, 6 years hence the man's age. 6 years hence means 6 years after his age is 12. Son's age is 12. 6 years after his age is 30 plus 6 is equals to 36. Okay, what is that condition? The man's age is 3 times of his son's age. So 12 3 is 36. 12 3 is 36. Satisfying or not? Satisfying. Second condition. Okay, 3 years ago means 6 minus 3 is equals to 3, and here 30 minus 3 is equals to 27. Now the man's age is 9 times, as old as his son. So 3 into how much is equals to 27? 3 9s 27. So satisfying or not? That is also satisfying. So what is the age of his father here? 30 years. So option B is correct. Okay children. So up to here 20th question also completed. So in this total worksheet we have the 20 questions, no? 20 questions also completed. So practice very well for your examinations. Okay, thank you.